Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have such an exciting video, probably the most exciting video I've ever done here on my channel. I am so excited about this. I cannot believe the day is finally here. So I am excited to share with you guys that I am revealing my first ever collab, and that is with Sigma Beauty. I absolutely love Sigma brushes. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that these are the only brushes I ever use. So I am so excited to be doing a set with them. And look, that's my face on a box. I am like in shock. I cannot believe it. This is just so surreal to see my face on a box. So we collaborated together to create a favorites brush set. So this kit right here will include my favorite eye brushes, and I mean, you guys know eye looks are my favorite thing in the world to create, so this wouldn't be me if it wouldn't be eye brushes, and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. And I do want to say a huge thank you to you guys, because if it wouldn't be for you, I would not even be able to do this at all, and I am so excited to be collaborating with such a great brand and to have my first ever collab. That is like insane. I honestly never thought I would ever be able to say those words. So now let's go ahead and show you guys the brushes inside and what everything looks like up close and personal and what is in this set. So here is the packaging of the set, and you will see that there's my face, so crazy, and then my signature, and it says Paulina Alaiev brush set. And then inside we have this card right here. So on one side you see my face once again and my signature, and a quote that I left for you guys to read if you guys purchase this set. And then on the other side it shows the brushes that are included in the set along with the names of everything. So here are the 5 brushes that will be included in this set. So the first brush we have is the E06 winged liner brush. Then we have the E25 blending brush, the E38 diffused crease brush, the E54 medium sweeper brush, and last but not least, the F70 concealer brush. And my Paulina Alaiev brush set with Sigma launches today. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on this brush set. I know you guys will love it. So don't forget to hit the link down below in my description box. That link will send you directly to where you can purchase this set. And this set retails for $64, which is actually at a 20% off retail price. So if you purchase these brushes individually, it will actually come out to much more than $64. So that is amazing. You're saving money, plus you're getting brushes that will last you forever. And I chose these specific brushes, and I wanted to create this set that will be perfect for everyone, and that you can create any type of look from natural to glam, from beginner to pro. And I will be showing you guys how to create this look using the brushes in this set. And if you guys want to stick around to see how I put this brush set to use to create this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette. I'm first going into this light brown shadow. So I'm first going to start off with the Sigma E38 diffused crease brush, and I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. I always like using this brush for transition shades because I feel like it's the perfect fluffiness, and it's not super dense, so it really buffs out and blows out that shadow on my crease, and it's perfect for transition shades. I'm now picking up this burgundy brown. I picked up this shadow on my E25 blending brush, and I'm going to start packing this on to this outer corner first, just doing little circular motions, and then I'm going to start doing circular motions to start blending this up and through the crease all the way into this inner corner. This is my absolute favorite blending brush. I cannot live without this brush. I have so many as backup just in case. This completely changed the way that I do makeup, and really I always say that the brushes definitely do make a huge difference on how your makeup application turns out, and this just helps blend everything so well and packs on shadow really nicely, plus makes it really blown out. Now I'm going back into that E38 brush by Sigma, and I'm picking up that same tan brown shade and just running this at the very high point of my crease to make sure that everything is really blended. I like always going back in with this brush because it really helps buff everything out. I'm going to do my lower lash line before I finish off my lid, so I'm basically going to mimic the same thing that's through my crease. So I'm picking up that light brown shadow first on my E54 medium sweeper brush by Sigma. I love this brush so much. It's great for honestly everything. It's great for your lower lash line and smoking it out. It's great for packing on shadow onto your lid, plus doing a little bit of blending because it is dense enough to pack on that shadow but soft enough to also blend it out. And then I love highlighting my brow bone with this brush as well, so it's very versatile, so it's a great brush to have in this kit. And now I'm going into that reddish brown shadow, and I'm going to start smoking this out and darkening up my lower lash line. I'm now using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair. Now this is another great brush that has a lot of uses to it, so I love applying my eyeliner with this brush because it's so small and you get to really be precise with the application, so we can't really mess up with this brush. I love to line my waterline, which I'm going to show you guys how I do with this brush. You can fill in your brows with this brush, and as well, I'm actually going to show you how I cut my crease using this brush. I said this brush a ton of times, but it's so amazing and really precise and really easy to work with. So I'm going to look straight ahead into my mirror, and I'm just going to start drawing out a line onto my crease, just so when I open my eyes, you can still see that cut crease. So just like that, I outline my entire crease right onto the fold of my crease and stopping it right where the shadow ends. So now I'm picking up this concealer onto my F70 concealer brush by Sigma, and I'm going to start applying this onto my lid. So not only is this brush great to apply concealer when you're creating a cut crease look, but it's also great to apply your foiled shadows and your metallic shadows, and I also love applying and packing on glitter with this brush. And then I'm just going to go back and forth right over this shadow just so it blends out this concealer into that shadow. For my lid, I'm picking up Pisces. So I just wiped off this F70 on a paper towel, and now I'm applying this foiled shadow right over top. So I'm kind of doing like patting and swiping motions. And you can get really, really close because this has a pointed tip, so it helps really carve out that cut crease, plus apply that shadow right at that top edge. And then once again, I'm just going to do that same sideways swiping motion just to blend this out. And then I'm going to pick up my E54 medium sweeper brush, and with whatever is left of that burgundy shadow, I'm just going to swipe that over in between this shimmery shadow and this burgundy shadow just to make sure that this cut crease is really buffed out. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm using Sigma Gel Eyeliner in Wicked. So I'm actually not going to apply liner, but you can definitely go ahead and use this E06 Wing Liner Brush. It's so great for your eyeliner application. It's really precise and makes it so easy. But I'm actually just going to line my upper waterline first with this brush. So I picked up a little bit of that gel liner on the tip of this brush, and I just apply that right on top. And then I'm going to apply the gel liner on my lower waterline with my Sigma E06 Wing Liner Brush. I'm now just going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to be using these Esquito lashes in Naughty and Nice. And that's the eye look done using my brush set with Sigma. So this is limited edition, so if you guys want to get your hands on it, you better get them quick. I cannot wait for you guys to get this and try all the brushes. You guys are, I'm telling you, your life is going to be changed when you try these brushes out. And I honestly believe that brushes really do make such a big difference on the way that your makeup application turns out and how blendable your shadows are. And these brushes are my absolute favorite. You guys know I rave about them all the time. So this is so big and huge for me, and I cannot believe I'm sharing with you guys my first ever collab. And this is just so surreal, and once again, I'm going to say it again, thank you so much to you guys for continuously supporting me and showing me love, and honestly, I couldn't have done this without you guys, so I thank you so much, and I really hope that you guys do get this brush set, because I would love to see you guys putting all these great brushes to use and creating all of your wonderful looks. And don't forget to click on the link down below, which will send you directly to the link to purchase the brush set. I'm so excited. And I also want to say a huge thank you to Sigma for partnering with me and collaborating with me on this set. This is so incredible. I keep wanting just to show you guys because I cannot believe my face is on a box. That is insane. So if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box. And also a list of all the products and this brush set will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!